Peace and blessings, everybody. This is Melinda. How are you all doing today? I just wanted to come on here to see how y'all was doing, and I want to share something with you guys. Okay, so um, I was looking in my closet, and I was come across all my bags and bags of stuffed animals that I have. It's a lot, and I said, let me share that with you guys just to give you a little glimpse of things that I enjoy doing, which is collecting stuffed animals. One of my things I like doing is stuffing bears. Is collecting stuffed animals. Get it right, girl. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this camera around and I'm gonna show y'all my collection of stuffed animals. Hold on 1 minute. I know I don't know what I'm doing, so let me turn around for 1 second. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, see all of these bears? I'm going to take a panoramic view. Let's see. And then I'm going to get in closer so y'all can see them up close. See? All my bears. So let me get in a little closer so y'all can see. I'm going to point some of them out so I can tell y'all a little bit about them. Let's see, let's put his face back. Can't see his face, but okay. All right, let me see. I'm sorry, y'all, my scarf is falling off. Okay. I'll tell you about that one with that bow tie on. And I'll tell you about that little doll right there. Okay. I said, let me show them my bear collection. That's something that I want to share with you guys. You know, the many joys of things that I enjoy doing. And that one right there, that purple bear that says, I love mom. I'm going to tell y'all what that do too. Okay. And that little brown bear right there, that dark chocolate one, I'm going to tell y'all about that in a minute too. Okay. See that big one in the back? Ooh. Okay. I'm like, I don't know what made me get all these stuffed animals out of these bags. Like, what was I thinking? But it's okay. This is what I wanted to share with you guys today. SpongeBob. Yeah, get those ones in the back. Okay, let me see one of them. Actually, that was a little bear that was on top of this bear head right here. Okay. Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to turn. Wait a minute. Let me tell y'all about some of these stuffed animals. Okay. This one right here was my Nana's. And this is one of the things that I acquired after she passed some time ago. And I said that helped me to remember my Nana. Yeah. So that's special. Then you got this bear right here. I said, oh wow, he got a bow tie like the brothers. I said, I gotta get that. He representing. I said, okay, you go ahead, you soldier bear. Funny. Then, for all those who came across my page, this purple one right here, this bear right here that says I love mom is one of the first bears that I posted. And let me just press this button right here. It's over here so you can see. So I can show you again what he do. Can you hear that? And his cheeks is rosy. It's like they rosy. I said, wow, that's so special. My son know his mama. And he got it in my favorite color. I was like, oh, that's so sweet. Wait, there's another one in here that's kind of, this one says hot stuff. Yeah, that's cute. He got a leather jacket on. A bear with a leather jacket. Okay. And let's see. This one right here smells like chocolate. Yeah, I said, okay, they got a stuffed animal that smells like chocolate. So you know what I say. I had to get it. So I got it. And you got SpongeBob right here. And then this one right here. Let me just put him over here so I can show y'all what he do. Hold on a minute. Let me just, he almost fell. All right, y'all ready for the show? Okay, let me show y'all what he do. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. Wow! Look at that body. Look at that body. Look at that body. I work out. Look at that body. Look at that body. I'm sexy and I know it. And I said, when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, look at this. And I pushed the button, and then he talking about he's sexy. And, you know, I was like, oh my goodness. I said, you know what I had to say? I had got to get this one too. So that's what I did. Wow. Okay, so these are my bears. I don't, you know, I gotta start up again, collecting more. And as I do, I'll let y'all know. Okay? That's gonna be something that I can share with you guys. Yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna turn this camera around one more time. Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay. All right, guys. That's all I want to share with you all today. If you come across this post, as always, leave a comment in the message box down below. Let me know that you was here and how you doing. Okay? So, I just wanted to say that. All right? I pray that you all have a good night. And until next time, y'all stay blessed. Peace.